Today we're taking a tour of the stunning DeYoung Properties Residence 150 floor plan, so come on in. Step through the classic entryway and into the heart of the home, the expansive gourmet kitchen. This kitchen is everything you need and more, with an extra large island, walk-in pantry, and open concept to the dining and great rooms. The dining and great rooms are flooded with natural light, creating a bright and airy space perfect for hosting family gatherings or relaxing on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Next, let's check out the bedrooms. The sizable primary bedroom suite is the perfect place to unwind after a long day. The adjoining primary bathroom is complete with ample storage space, a dual vanity, and a spacious walk-in closet and shower. This 1,500 square foot home is also incredibly functional. The convenient interior laundry room is centrally located, making life that much easier. The secondary bathroom is also well appointed, with premium Kohler accessories. The other two bedrooms are perfect for your children or guests. They're spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room to spread out. The walk-in pantry is a lifesaver for storing all of your cooking essentials. And who could forget the important covered porch, which is perfect for outdoor living. So what do you think? The DeYoung Properties Residence 150 is the perfect home for families looking to downsize or first-time home buyers. If you're interested in learning more, visit our Welcome Center or call us today.